I'm literally crying because I had a parrot in my coat and I was mining the roof. I was mining the roof and I hit him. I hit him with my pickaxe and he died. And now I have his remains. Oh my god. Now I have his remains. I want his remains.
There he is. So his name is Eugene.
The other one that I killed, his name was Robin, obviously.
And if you don't get it, you'll never get it because I don't care. My other dog's out here because they keep getting in my way.
I literally started crying because it was getting so annoying.
I have a feeling that one of my animals are gonna get caught on fire. Probably you! You, oh my god. So I'm just recording a video just to make sure because I have problems and I have feelings that people don't believe me whenever I say things. So if I tell you that my Eugene just died from lava, you're not gonna believe me. So for his sake, if he's stupid, go away. You, oh my god, it's stupid. If you died, it's not my fault. Unless I accidentally push you in. I hate baby zombies. Baby, I'm no problem.
Those zombies. It's so annoying. Oh my god, auto saving.